In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay vendors in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the most common and reliable way to record a vendor payment so your accounts payable and bank records stay accurate. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From any screen, look for the plus new button near the top of your dashboard, then select Pay Bills. This opens a list of unpaid vendor bills. Using Pay Bills is important because it links your payment directly to the bill, which keeps your vendor balances and reports correct, much better than writing a generic check that isn't tied to a bill. At the top of the Pay Bills page, choose the bank account you're paying from. Selecting the right account ensures the payment posts to the correct register and, if you're printing checks, follows the proper check number sequence. Double check you're on the operating account or whichever account you actually use for vendor payments. Next, locate the bill you're ready to pay and check the box next to it. Take a moment to review the vendor name, the due date, and the amount so you know you've picked the right bill. Enter the payment date to match when the money will leave your bank. This date affects your financial period and your bank reconciliation, and on cash basis reports, it controls when the expense is recognized. Now choose how you'll pay. Select check if you plan to print or record a paper check from the bank account you chose. Pick expense if the bill will be paid electronically, like via ACH, online banking, or a debit transaction, so QuickBooks records the payment without creating a printable check. Choose credit card if you're using a card. QuickBooks will post the payment to that card's register. If you use another method, select the option that best reflects how the vendor will actually be paid. Matching the real-world method here helps your books line up with your bank activity. When everything looks right, save the payment. If you select a check and want to print now, click Save and Print to generate the check. Confirm the check number, make sure your check stock is loaded correctly, and verify alignment before finalizing. Like if you're not printing or you used another method, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will link the payment to the bill and update your accounts payable automatically. After saving, the bill's status will show as paid and the vendor's balance will adjust accordingly. If needed, you can open the payment later to review details or reprint the check. Before you move on, quickly confirm the correct bank account and payment date are shown and that